Hey guys, All Jack No Trades here. Today we are installing a Mobilistics remote kill switch on a 2023 Lexus IS 350. For this project, all you need is some pliers as well as a 10mm wrench. So to begin, I'm just going to start by popping the hood. Now for this particular car, there is a little lever that you have to slide to the left in order to open. Get it open. This right here, just move it to the left. And next up, disconnect the battery. With our trusty 10mm wrench, you unscrew this. While you are unscrewing the bolt on the negative terminal, make sure not to come in contact with the positive one or else it will short circuit. Let's go unscrew it. Ooh. Then just take it off. Put it over here somewhere. Ooh. Okay. After you disconnected the battery, we have to find the starter relay. In this particular model, there are 3 relay boxes. One right here, one right here, and one right here. The starter relay is in this box. And on most Toyota models, it is the purple one right here. Now, we just use our pliers to get this out. Alright, here we are. Just make sure not to grip too tightly, or else you might damage the factory relay. There you go. Now, simply just replace it with the kill switch. Don't forget to reconnect the battery. To test it out, we're just gonna press start, and it doesn't start. Perfect. Let's try it again. You press this button on top. Sweet. Real simple, guys. I will put the link to this in the description, as well as the pricing and the list of compatible cars that it will work on. Have a good one.